things that St. Maarten is known for is a short landing strip that's right literally on the beach. If you see where I'm at right now, I'm on the beach, and not more than 50 yards away is the fence that separates the beach from the airport landing strip. But as you can see from the sign, the danger of the jet blast of departing and arriving aircraft can cause severe physical harm, resulting in extreme bodily harm and or death. Luckily for you, I'm here to challenge that theory of death. Give me the big one?
Yeah.
Okay, you know that part about death? I was joking around. I don't know if I really want to do this now. You think I have this backpack just for fashion? No. It's an actual weight so I don't fly away. No, man, it's too much.
My fucking knees are fucking shaking.
Why? Why am I doing this? Dude, if I didn't have this backpack, I really thought I would be flown all the way to fucking Jamaica. I'm PJ Butta, and I cheated death by surviving the jet blast.
So you know me and my man PJ, we go around the world, you know what I mean? St. Maarten today, he nearly killed me out here on this jet blast thing, man. If you watch the video, man, I fall, it looked like Saving Private Ryan in the sand. It was really bad, man. I'm messing with you no more, PJ, for real. These little jackass things that you want to do, you do them yourself. Rhino Safari and all that. It's you, money. All right, you're the new Johnny Knoxville, buddy.